Hello, so to use duets in LIVEIN app, this is a new interesting feature. So basically when you're recording some video, just tap this button. And this is how it works. So it's similar to duet feature on TikTok or Instagram or any other like trending social media. So basically you're recording some video. Anyways, and then here there is like a call to action to duet with me, and then I can just post it as a normal LIVEIN post, and this will appear this will appear in the feed. Of course it can just appear in the widget, and then you of course need to have friends who can duet with you and who can just record this reaction. So you can invite friends from here, but that's the feature. And then to add LIVEIN widget, you can just tap and hold and then add LIVEIN here. So just add that widget, and then people will see your duet request, and then will be able to react.